Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to download apps from other countries in iOS. So let's start. If you want to download from App Store in another country, another app, what you can do is get a VPN. And with the VPN you can start download games and apps from other countries without any problem. But how you can do it? Well, I recommend you the NordVPN. NordVPN, it's the best NordVPN online. So if you use NordVPN, you can unlock shows from anywhere, you can play games anywhere, and download apps from anywhere and safely. And with our partner link in the description below, you will get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. So also, it's important to know that plus you get a 30-day money back. What means this? So if you don't like the service from NordVPN, you don't like how it works, you don't agree with everything here, you will get the money back warranty. So your money will back to you. So it's a plus for you if you get the discount in our link description below. Now when you register in our link description below, just go to the three lines on the top right corner there, and then let's go to login. Okay, when you log in, just click there and you will start logging in your device. So now let's go to the login here, just write your email address and then log in. Just wait a little bit until this is ready to use, and then let's go to our principal page, then scroll down. And then let's go to NordVPN View Details, and here just scroll down and let's go to the part that says Manual Setup. And here on Manual Setup, you can select the country that you prefer to use the VPN. In this case, you can select, for example, Monaco, Morocco, Nepal, New Zealand. So just select that one, and then you have a base of VPN that you can use for that country. When you change the VPN on your device, you can start download apps from anywhere. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.